Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm sharing with you one of a very nice store which I have shared before. So we're gonna do shopping at Best Buy part 2 and we will be sharing with you some more interesting parts in this store. So here we are and we just part. You can see the store looks amazing and we're gonna walk inside and show you some new things that we want to share with you. So let's walk inside. You can see they have a lot of safety signs here. Shop safety and face coverings are required. So let's go in and see. Even at the entrance they have face coverings are required signs. Here we are. Now we're gonna turn right and show you. Here they have Magnolia home theater. I'm gonna be showing you some televisions and how you can make a theater at your home, what stuff you need and what they are showing you in stores. Here we have some television. You can see it's a 8K televisions. Here they have a space where you can get televisions as well as you can get these TV consoles if you like. And see how nicely they have arranged this place and how clean it is. It was not very busy that day, so we were able to explore and see and show you everything. Here they have the very nice television with sound bars set up, so you can actually turn on the music and you can hear the sound bars and the music system they have. Very nice. It's a 75-inch television. Here they have made little rooms where they have everything that you need for home theaters. You can see they have speakers, they have televisions all around, and they also have some projectors if you want to purchase. They have arranged it very nicely where you can see all the things that you need and you can always ask them for help if you have some questions. Even in this room you can see how clean it is and how nicely they have arranged, and they have also placed Dyson air purifiers in the room so the air keeps going. You can see it's in the corner. Now here we are in the second room. Here they have more music systems and home theater things and the setup you need to set up a whole home theater system in your home, and you can see they have all the accessories available here and how nicely they have arranged everything. They have speakers, they have sound systems, everything that you need to have your own home theater system at your home. And you can see they have air purifier in this room as well, and they also have a projector in this room if you need one. So after Magnolia home theater, I'll be showing you some more things they have outside. They have some more sound bars that are priced a little less than the ones they have at Magnolia. Here they have a lot of sound bars from different companies to choose from, and of course different pricings. They have a lot of stuff in store that you can see, you can test, and you can pick. So here they have some more in the middle, and I'll be showing you their pricings and the companies they are from. And here they have some more televisions. So first of all they have this sound bar from Insignia, which is priced at $79.99. And here they have a LG sound bar, which is a little pricier than the one from Insignia. This one is priced at $349.99, but you can also purchase it at monthly payments. And there's another one with a price in between. This is by Poke. It is priced at $179.99. So next I'll show you some more televisions. You can see how nicely, how beautiful it is. It is synchronized. It's always nice to look at these. So now I'll be showing you some more high-end televisions. They have a whole wall dedicated to them by VIZIO, LG, Samsung and Sony. You can see how nicely and beautifully they have decorated that wall with all the televisions. And here they have some Amazon Fire Sticks and Roku. So you can see all these televisions are also synchronized, and it always looks very nice. You can see all the birds. They also always put very colorful 4K display, so you can enjoy and you can actually see the television colors. Here they have LG television OLED, which is a 65-inch television, which is priced at $1,999, but you can also purchase it at monthly payments. Here they have a very nice setup. I really liked it, and they were displaying Cyberpunk, which is a video game, and I really liked this wall, the way they have set up everything, and they had this console, very beautiful. I really liked it. So this television is by Samsung. It's a 75-inch TV, which is priced at $2,799. So they have some more Samsung televisions. You can see they have a lot of them to choose from. They have 8K display now along with 4K, which is amazing. Now we will be moving towards Sony, which is popular for very nice televisions. On the left side they have some televisions with less pricing as compared to the ones by the Sony, Samsung and LG. Here they have Sony televisions, and you can see how beautiful they are. Here they are playing some Baby Yoda. Of course, who doesn't know about Star Wars? This television is 65-inch, and they have some very beautiful display here. I really like these colors, so I wanted to share them with you. These are Sony Bravia OLED televisions. Their 85-inch television is in the middle, and 77 inches, 65-inch televisions are right there to choose from. Now I'll be showing you some kitchen appliances. Here they have a very nice new pressure cooker. It's by Chef IO. It is very advanced with multi-functions, and it is also digital. You can actually attach it to your phone. You can synchronize it with an app. It is priced at $179.99. It is 6 quart. You can see it looks very advanced. So now I'll be showing you some more kitchen appliances. They have some more pressure cookers. They have Instant Pot. Everybody knows Instant Pot. They have crock pots. They have panini presses. They have immersion blenders. They have choppers. They have hand blenders. They have stand mixers by KitchenAid, which is the best, and they also have attachments for the stand mixers. They have choppers, immersion blenders, everything by KitchenAid as well. They also have some NutriBullets, so you can make your smoothies. They also have NutriBullet by Ninja. Next I'll show you something very interesting. They had a machine to make your drinks. You can see it's by Keurig. It's something new. I've never seen this before. It looked very interesting. You can see they have a cocktail glass, and it looked very pretty. So you can make your cocktails on this. So next I'll show you some more kitchen appliances. Here they have some blenders. They have Ninja blenders by Ninja, which is very renowned, and they also have some juicers. So they have different models. Now they have some coffee machines. They have Nespresso and they have Keurig. They have both coffee and espresso machines, and that one actually looked new, the one on top that we were looking at, which is priced at $153. And next they also have some coffees. If you need some K-cups, you can always purchase them from here. Next I'll show you the very best blenders they have is the Vitamix, and actually Vitamix came out with an immersion blender as well, which is priced at $149.99. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.